Today I'm making craft stickers without sticker paper glue or double-sided tape. We'll need paper, baking paper, scissors, tape, and transparent plastic sheet, which is optional. First, we have to draw the stickers on the blank paper. Just because I'm out of ideas, I'm using a reference from the internet. Let's start sketching. If you don't feel like drawing, you can just print the stickers. But of course I prefer drawing. If you don't know what stickers to make, like me, you can just look it up on the internet. There are plenty of ideas. Alright, now I'm done sketching. Let's start coloring. I recently bought a set of markers, and they have made coloring so much easier. I think my drawings have definitely improved after I started using these. Okay, now I'm just adding some finishing touches with my white gel pens. Cutting out the drawings. I left a small white outline around each, but that's entirely up to you. Now time for the baking paper. Stick tape over the baking paper, wide enough to fit all the stickers. Now, arrange the drawings on the taped part of the paper. Next, add another layer of tape on top of the drawings. After we've done that, carefully cut out each of the stickers on the baking paper. This time, making sure to leave a small outline. While you cut, the stickers are ready. Now, this is optional. But if you want to take it a step further, grab that transparent plastic sheet. We are going to turn this into a sticker sheet. Also, it's really satisfying to peel open the stickers. To stick them, all you have to do is remove the baking paper from the back. To make the sticker sheet, I'm sticking all of these stickers onto the transparent plastic sheet. It is much easier to store stickers like this. Okay, we're done with the sticker sheet. It's also easy to peel the stickers from the transparent sheet. It looks really cute too. Anyways, bye! If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts down below.